Time's up. January 27 marks a date that condemns Sardinia to becoming Italy's garbage bin for over 250,000 tons of nuclear waste. Officially, the figure is only 90,000, but reality tells a different story. Sardinia faces the greatest calamity in its history. Nuclear waste takes over 1 billion years to decompose. Meanwhile, 35,000 hectares of the island's territory are permanently occupied by military installations. Sardinia is the largest no-fly zone in the Mediterranean, effectively treated as a war asset during times of peace. The island generates electricity for Italy using fossil fuels, much of it provided by Russia. Yet Sardinians pay higher prices for energy, transportation, and taxes. Additionally, they face systemic neglect. They cannot even study their own language. In 2011, 97% of Sardinians voted in a referendum to declare the island unavailable for hosting radioactive materials. It was all in vain. Sardinia remains on the blacklist.